Hi guys, today we'll talk about how can you enable screen time on your iPhone. We'll go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do inverse, so you just click on settings here. When you just click on settings, then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. So then it's going to show for you like this here. You click here on screen time, you just click on it here. When you just click on screen time, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. You click here on turn on screen time. It's going to show for you a list like this here. Then you click here on turn on screen time, just click on it. You click here on this is my iPhone. So then here it's going to enable with you like you see automatically on your iPhone. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.